Annieroseshearttreats.
Hi guys! Welcome to Annieroseshearttreats. My name is Annierose. This is my sister Nonu. And we can make hot favorite. I will make this. Hi Nonu. We can make the ingredients. First, I want to tell you what we need. We need bread and a knife, and you may put on bread, you may put in butter and the sprinkles, or you need a hot to press it and give it a little bit of shake. Now let's count the ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. Now let's do it. Now let's get started. My sister is hungry, so let's make 2. I'm gonna get 2 breads. Now we're going to put the butter on the bed. Let's get started. I can do it. Just squish. I need this. Now let's do my sister's one. Now we need to put some more. This pencil. Now we've done my sister's one. Now to do mine. We done. Once we put the butter on it, now just the sprinkles. After that, and this. Now you're mine. Not you mine. Not for you. Thank you. And after this, we get shake it. Now let's do the heart. Come along, you can do this. Now let's do the heart. Now we have to take off the bread and then take off. Take it off. And then you get started and done. Now we're done. My turn. Now my sister's turn. Hungry only my butt. Hello, where we gonna do the hot teeth. Now show my heart. Isn't it cool? Take my off. Oh, you make a mess! Now take it off, Nonu. Oh my God! This is full it! Now eat my chicken. Ready. Ta-da! Okay. Now let's eat our hot favorites. And comment below if you like this video. Subscribe. You want to watch us eat. Now let's eat it. This looks yummy. Sometimes sprinkles come on the front. Comment below if you like this video. Subscribe. Comment below if you like a hot favorite. Let's eat it. Oh, my bananas. I'm saving mine. Really fast. Out. Next, you have to watch us eating. If you like this video, press a like. Stop pretending I'm eating. I'm pretending to eat. I will eat your sugar. Oh! I'm waiting till I'm finished and then mine. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you like this video, give it a heart. Bye. I'm getting Nonu. Next